Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, Blush by Malique. Today we're doing this makeup look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. This is the look. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to start by priming my eye with some concealer as well as shaping my brow. Then I'm just going to set that with some setting powder. This is the palette. It's really pretty and I like the colors in there. This is the brush that comes with the palette. And I'm going to use that today, starting with this light brown color, Birch. I'm just going to map out the crease of my eye, and that way when I go for the darker colors, I'll know where to put them. And also this is going to help everything blend out a little easier when we get to some later steps. I'm going to go in with Twig and concentrate that right in the crease where we just put that birch. And just blending, blending, blending. Focus, camera. Focus. Just showing you guys exactly where I'm putting that product. Now we're going to go on to the darker brown, or the darkest brown in the palette. Just going to focus that in the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it into the crease as well when I get done. I'm going to go ahead and clean off that brush and dry it on my arm. Going back to Birch, and I'm going to put it right on top of where that darkest brown or my crease colors end. And I'm going to use this color to blend up towards my brow bone and make it transition smoothly. Now I gotta figure out which lid color to use. These are the 5 lid colors in the palette. I chose the rose gold. I'm using my Ulta Beauty highlighter drops and this old school sponge applicator, and I'm gonna put this liquid highlighter down as a base for my eyeshadow so it can stand out as much as possible. I'm also going to take it into the tear duct where I will put some shimmer later. I'm taking that rose quartz and filling in my eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with Pearl, put it in my inner corner, and then I'm going to put it in the inner part of my eyelid as well to help blend everything nice and smoothly and give kind of a gradient effect. Next I'm going to go on to my eyeliner. It's my favorite eyeliner. It's the Tattoo Eyeliner by Kat Von D, and it is the best felt tip eyeliner I have ever used. It's the best for sharp pointy lines. The second best would be Stila's liquid liner, but you can't get as sharp of a line with them. So going back into that sponge tip, and I'm going to take Pearl along my lower lash line. Taking this flat shader brush, I'm just going to take the darkest brown and go on the outer part of my lash line. Some mascara, and the eyes are complete, guys. This is what they look like. These are the new Anastasia lip creams. They're like metallic. So here's what the gold one looked like. It's pretty, but I ended up using it as a topper for a lipstick that I had. So you'll see that in a minute. This is Viva Glam 2, I believe I'm putting on. And yeah, I like this a little better. It's more wearable for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see me try on all of these metallic shades, you can in a video coming soon. I will leave it in the comment section if you want to find it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and have a wonderful day. Bye.